revolution in green manufacturing, paving the way for a sustainable industry. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has been making waves across various sectors, from healthcare to finance. However, one area where AI is quietly revolutionizing operations often flies under the radar: sustainable manufacturing. As industries worldwide grapple with the urgent need to reduce their environmental impact, AI-driven solutions are emerging as powerful tools in the quest for greener, more efficient production processes. The concept of green manufacturing isn't new, but the integration of AI algorithms is taking it to unprecedented levels. By leveraging machine learning, data analytics, and predictive modeling, manufacturers are now able to optimize their operations in ways that were previously unimaginable. This AI-powered approach is addressing three critical aspects of sustainable manufacturing: energy consumption reduction, waste minimization, and enhanced recycling. 1. Energy optimization. One of the most significant applications of AI in sustainable manufacturing is in energy optimization. Smart algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from sensors throughout a factory to identify energy-intensive processes and equipment. For instance, Siemens has implemented AI systems in its manufacturing plants that have resulted in energy savings of up to 20% too. These systems continuously monitor and adjust energy usage in real time, ensuring that machines operate at peak efficiency without unnecessary power consumption. Waste reduction. Waste reduction is another area where AI is making a substantial impact. Machine learning algorithms can predict maintenance needs with remarkable accuracy, preventing unexpected breakdowns that often lead to material waste. Additionally, AI-powered quality control systems can detect defects early in the production process, reducing the amount of subpar products that would otherwise be discarded. For example, LG Electronics has reported a 50% reduction in defective products after implementing AI-based quality control measures. 3. Enhanced recycling and materials management have also seen significant improvements thanks to AI. Advanced image recognition algorithms can sort recyclable materials more efficiently than ever before, increasing the volume and quality of recycled materials that can be reintroduced into the manufacturing process. Tomra, a leading provider of sensor-based sorting solutions, has developed AI systems that can identify and sort plastic types with over 95% accuracy, significantly enhancing recycling efficiency. 4. The rise of smart factories. The impact of these AI-driven sustainable manufacturing practices extends beyond individual factories. As more companies adopt these technologies, we're witnessing the emergence of smart factories that are interconnected, highly efficient, and environmentally conscious. These facilities not only reduce their carbon footprint, but also set new standards for the industry as a whole. While the benefits of AI in sustainable manufacturing are clear, challenges remain. The initial investment in AI technologies can be substantial, and there's a need for skilled professionals who can develop and maintain these systems. However, as the technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, we can expect to see wider adoption across the manufacturing sector. Looking to the future. As we look to the future, the role of AI in driving sustainable manufacturing practices is set to grow exponentially. From optimizing supply chains to designing products for easier recycling, the potential applications are vast. This AI-powered green revolution in manufacturing may not always make headlines, but its impact on our planet's future could be profound. What do you think about the role of AI in sustainable manufacturing? How might these technologies shape the products we use every day? Share your thoughts and let's continue this important conversation about the future of green industry.